Okay, this is amazing. Beautiful purple color.
Yeah.
Anything around that? 11th of August 2024. We have Viršuliškių number 27. Which number? 6.
1 to 36.
Yeah. So Viršuliškės. One of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania. Just unfortunately the call buttons replaced. And I also have to save memory. So
Yeah, but you have still quite much memory, so you can take 2 writes.
it's 600 megabytes for one video with 2 writes.
Yeah.
It's not closer to 1 gig already.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's still.
Original call button?
Yeah, so 2 writes you can see it still. Because it's even better here.
I don't think that'll be enough memory.
I think so. I think it. Kiva, jos pitää meitä nyt valtiosliftaa.
Built in 1977.
Yeah. This area has about 75 elevators from 1977, but some of them have been modernized, of course. But yeah.
I will try to see which ones are still left, which we can get.
Yeah. That's